Welcome. Today we are looking at the causes of the Second World War. There was extreme nationalism in Italy under Mussolini, in Germany under Adolf Hitler. The Great Depression, which occurred between 1929 and 1931, caused economic problems that triggered conflict between nations. The policy of appeasement practiced by France and Britain encouraged dictators to become even more aggressive. The League of Nations was weak and could not stop their aggressive nations such as Germany, Japan, and Italy. The military alliances encouraged aggression among some states. The rise of dictators in Europe such as Hitler and Mussolini proved war as they made unfamiliar demands on other countries. War fronts in the Second World War: Western Europe, North Africa, Eastern Europe, the Far East. Why the Allies won the war against the Axis powers? The Allies had a larger army than the Axis powers. Germany's failure to effectively control her expansive conquered territories led to rebellion among them. Some even joined the Allies against Germany. The USA entry in the war turned the tables against the Axis powers, as she had enormous resources. The Axis powers suffered shortage of raw materials, for example, rubber, oil, and cotton, to sustain their economies and therefore the war. The Allies had the most powerful weapon, the atomic bomb, which was used against Japan. Results of the Second World War: millions of lives were lost and property destroyed. The war caused untold suffering. Germany was divided into East and Western Germany after the war. The USA and the USSR emerged as the two superpowers as European nations had been devastated by the war. Many people were displaced from their countries. The war encouraged the emergence of nationalism both in Asia and Africa. Communism became more widespread by the end of the war due to suspicion between the capitalist and the communist nations. Military technology advanced during the war. Towards the end of the war, the United Nations Organization, UNO, was established to promote international peace and security. Women changed their status and participated in the war. European nations became dependent on their colonies for reconstruction materials. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.